Rock and cook, bro.
Large cappuccino, 1 sugar.
Large cap with 1 sugar. Anything else, brother?
Nah, that's it, champ.
Down.
Going for another flats fishing trip. Meeting up with Dane. He's like 45 minutes late. Oh, the bastard. Yeah, so I'll just slowly unload me shit. And rig up whatever lures that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be fishing low tide when we get out there, so I might even just go for a quick flick straight away and see if there's anything sitting on the flats. So yeah, let's hope Dane doesn't take too much bloody longer. Getting sick of waiting for him. Oh, it's actually bloody a bit cold outside. This new spot your mate's talking about, it's not that easy. There's a fair bit of a hike with the kayak compared to what I said at the other spot, but oh shit. Alright. I'll get all the gear out, I guess. I'll get the Hobie off first. Get the Hobie off. And then I'll sort of my gear out. All that shit needs to go in my kayak. Why aren't you taking the kayak off, Dane? You leaving something up? You leave something at home?
Called bung plugs.
He leaves them out, but leaves his butt plug in. It's just weird that he does that.
You use me butt plug.
Yeah, that's way too big. Alright, bro. All the time you get back, I'll be on that water. Hey, puppies!
Hey.
Whoa!
Anything for a pat.
Hello! Oh, you're so bloody soft! Oh, I want you as a pillow. Oh, just waiting for Dane now. Lures I'll be using today. This is the Kazami 60 by Gladiator. I've just changed the sting hooks. Works pretty good. This is the Tackle House Inshore, I'm pretty sure. That's the name of it. Awesome little popper. So they're the surface lures I'll be running. This is the lure I'll be using. It's an Adusta. I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it up on the screen. But it's a little shallow diver. It's sinking. But I reckon it'll be an awesome lure for the flats. Because this looks like a whiting, so I reckon the flatties are gonna smash that thing. I'm hoping they do. So, well, yeah, it's the first time we're using it. Need to cut off that tag end, but yeah. There my rod setups I'll be using. Now just waiting for Dane. Oh, it's whiting off the surface. Only a little guy. Yeah, I thought it was going to be a brim. End up in a whiting. ago it's flat as a tack. Now it's pissing down. I might wait it out. I'm in the mangroves, so it shouldn't be too bad. Might have to check the forecast to see how long it's going to last. Got the one whiting, so I didn't donut. But that is looking shit. It wasn't supposed to be that bad. I thought I'd get under here for a bit of shelter. That was shit. How shit is this weather? Pretty rough, eh? You'd be cheering that you're not in here at the moment, to be honest with you. Yeah, like I've got waves coming into the back of the kayak. Yeah, mate, bye. I can't believe it. There is a bit of light clouds out there, so I will wait it out. I'm chasing it. That's a nice hit there. Brim. Well, I've got heaps next to me then.